Audio rolling.
Does that mean I need to start recording it?
Level 7 with some space. But I think in Mission Impossible 7, they're using Z cams.
Really? What's that?
This is Z cam.
So Ryan's gonna say, this is the 5th time now, and then you'll bring it over to Kat.
Ryan, is that how you're gonna be standing?
When I start talking, I'm gonna start like this, and then I'll end up like this.
Well, then you're gonna be like really in the middle. Move your feet back like an inch. Wait, no, you just moved your feet way forward.
This is how I'm leaning. I can't lean.
Okay, well, how are you gonna stand up?
After.
I stand up.
I'll make sure it's pointed at
That's
the
good.
mouth.
Action. Wait a bit. Okay, Kat comes out.
For you too.
Cut.
Last goes for you too.
What's this, the 5th time now?
Carrie, thanks for coming.
No, it's
Okay,
raining.
Cut. Okay, let's do that again.
It's raining.
It's raining.
Okay, for Ryan, you walk this way in front of the camera, like that there. Okay, and
No. Someone say serious faces on. I can't.
serious faces on.
That didn't help.
Okay,
Why would you think that would help?
audio
don't
rolling.
Are the airplanes going to be in this? The Eagles?
No.
Can you also in that other shot? Can you?
We gotta replace the Eagles with the F-22 Raptor.
Moving with.
Simone is about to run out. Wait for us to make some.
Okay.
We can go, oh wait, this kid's involved, I don't want to be in this movie anymore. I think he probably does, but I don't know, I've annoyed Brendan for 10 years.
Scene.
It's hard to bounce back from
Right on
that.
set. Scene 2. Shot 1. Take 2. And action.